And a good afternoon. We dey live now for Iyala, wey dey inside Anambra. And here we dey na Iyala junction, the road wey lead to Olu. Na here we dey so. As we come see say fire outbreak happen for this plaza this afternoon. We dey live now for Iyala in case you just dey join us. So here we dey na Iyala roundabout or junction, but the road too lead to Olu. The road lead to Olu. As we can see say fire outbreak dey happen for this side. Meanwhile, we never see the fire service people. Fire service people no dey here right now. Na individual now they dey use their efforts now to make sure say they quench their fire. Because as we dey see now, people don dey lose many of their goods wey dey inside this shop. And the shop now wey dey catch fire now don dey like about 20 for this side. And people dey manage to comot things wey dey for their shop, mostly the one wey get shop wey dey for downstairs. So here we dey na Iyala for inside Anambra State. Individual dey carry their effort to make sure say they quench the fire, make the thing no pass like this. And this one now wey dey pass na water tanker wey dey don go try bring come for this side. Meanwhile, we still dey expect the fire service people dey for inside Anambra State. So here we dey na Iyala for inside Anambra State. This road leads to Olu. They know am as Olu road, but na Iyala we dey so. So here now na the shopping plaza wey dey for the junction, and the fire don condemn people goods. Because of the fire, we never know wetin cause the fire. Meanwhile, na people wey dey this side they dey try to use their own effort to make sure say they quench the fire wey dey for this side. People wey get goods for downstairs, they dey try to make sure say they comot their goods wey dey here. And this one na some people don try comot their goods, and then they dey try to make sure say they pack their things comot. So because of the fire, we never know wetin cause the fire yet. So this one na people don try comot their goods for their shop as the fire start to dey start. And people wey try comot their goods for this side na people wey be say their shop dey for down. So in case you just dey join us, we dey for Anambra, and the place we dey for Anambra na for Iyala. This road leak to Olu road, and wetin we dey see say fire now dey happen for this plaza. And because of the fire, we never know yet, because the plaza plenty. The inside, this side lead to many shops dem wey dey for inside. Because of the fire, we never know yet. Na individual effort to just dey see, make they make sure say they try quench the fire. Meanwhile, we still dey wait for the state fire service, make they come put hand to make sure say they quench the fire. For now, the place still dey hot as people dey struggle to comot their goods for their shop. If you watch that place up now, you go see say people dey try to struggle to make sure say they quench the fire, because of say some people goods the thing really affect them. So where we dey na for Iyala, wey dey for inside Anambra State, and this one na the plaza now wey dey catch fire. And this one na people wey don try comot their goods for inside the plaza this afternoon. E never too tey wey this incident start. E start like 30 minutes ago, and e start like 30 minutes ago. People dey make sure say they try use their own effort to make sure say they quench the fire. People dey try to make sure say they quench the fire. People wey try comot their goods for here na people wey their shop dey for down. While people wey dey for up, nobody fit comot their goods for here, due to say the fire start from up, and the thing come make everybody, the fear make everybody comot. Everybody come run for their own safety first. But we still dey live here for Iyala, and na individual effort they dey try to quench the fire wey dey for here. This fire outbreak start this afternoon, like 30 minutes ago, and people wey we see wey try comot their goods for here na people wey their shop dey for down. And because of the fire, we never know yet, as we go still dey expect a security agency make dey come here, and then the state fire service wey dey for Anambra State. Na individually dey try to make sure say they use their effort quench the fire. Some group of boys now they don climb up to make sure say they struggle and try to quench the fire, because of say na water tank na in dey for here, and they try to make sure say they use their own effort quench the fire. So where we dey now na Ihiala wey dey for inside the Anambra State. This road don dey too busy with wetin dey happen as so this one na person wey just try comot im goods for im shop for this side. Where we dey now na Ihiala wey dey for inside the Anambra State. Make we check whether we go follow people talk. Make they tell us wetin happen. Bros, good afternoon. Abeg, wetin happen for here? Your shop dey here?
My neighbor. I'm the one that driving that tanker that is severe.
When they call you, where they drive the tanker, which time where they call you?
The person called me around after 1.
Around after 1?
1.
On a good afternoon. So in case you just join us, we dey for Ihiala, we dey for inside the Anambra State. And if you remember, today na Sunday. Maybe say some people don't go church and people no open their business today. Now, based on say some of them don't go church, and some of them why don't follow talk say they hear the news. Now in the rush come, some of them say their shop today affected. We go see the time we go follow people talk for here. Make they tell us wetin happen. Okay, sir, what did happen for this side?
Now it's fire outbreak this afternoon. Fire outbreak inside the Nkogbe market.
Your shop there?
My shop is here.
You open shop today?
I know I am in the church when the fire started.
What did you say?
I'm busy on drugs.
You try come out anything for your shop today?
Nothing. My parking store burnt down. Before I will come back, the bill I bring out, some people lay hands on it and carry. But the fire started at the back.
What did cause the fire?
I can't just tell what caused the fire. The news just break to us when we are at home that fire is burning. Then we run to our shops. Then we come, the fire has covered everywhere.
How many shops there were not for this back?
Nah. 50 shops. All of them are now. They are still burning. As you can see now, there are 2,000 shops. 2,000 shops. Thank you. Look at, come and see. See that inside, this is inside the market. All the market is down. Down.
This on a road way link inside the market, and inside that place, the place is on fire. And we see they wait for the fire service. Then waiting for inside Anambra State. They never come this side because of say the shops there now where they are. People don't lose their goods and their properties. Because some people say they go church today, and now for church they here say fire they happen for here. So we go see they bring on an update and things where they happen for Ihiala and things where they happen for here. So bros, good afternoon. And what happened for here today?
Sunday. I want to hotel class whereby and local when you make job the local about job now.
You get business for you?
No, but I'm not free like I'm.
So we go see they bring on an update with waiting happen for this plaza and waiting happen for Ihiala on a good afternoon.